Others, you are comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I explain the project like basically this is the project you have to create like grocery website, like not this type, but you can help this template and you can create according to your creativity. So you just create in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So, or complete on this Sunday, and make sure you have to host this entire website in free hosting sites like www.000webhost.com, or you can also host this on GitHub. So it is any doubt to anyone like uh, how you are create this website or some problem?
Ma'am, it would be more like some e-commerce site.
Yeah, basically this is a e-commerce site, but this is a grocery website.
Okay, ma'am, no issues.
Okay. Others? Any doubt? Anyone? So because your internship finish in tomorrow, so you have a complete day for tomorrow. You have to create this. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. I will try to help you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Mhm.
Ma'am.
Can you repeat again, ma'am? I'm not
Yeah.
here. I don't get it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sure. So basically, you have to create this website. Basically, this is a grocery website, and you have to create an HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or Bootstrap. Basically, this is the template. You can create this website according to your creativity. Like you are what you learn in your previous class, you can apply all these things in this website, and you have to complete this website on this Sunday, like I guess 11th of July, and then you have to host this website free hosting sites like 0webhost.com, or you can also host this website on GitHub. So you can just paste your link in a Google form. Just me or Kanika ma'am prepare the Google form. You just paste your link of the hosting site and you can submit. So this is basically the demo of the particular website that you have to create. So like this is a grocery website, like this is a template, this is a search bar, and this is a category section, and this is a home page, shop log, like gallery, there's a wish list and add to cart, and you can also add the logo here. So this is basically a demo you can create according to your creativity.
तो मैम
So yes ma'am.
एक्चुअली मैम कनिका मैम ने जब हमने अपना रिव्यू वीडियो और पीपीटी उनके साथ शेयर किया था, तो उन्होंने एक
Yes
गूगल
ma'am.
फॉर्म भरने के लिए दिया था। तो उसमें जब ये ऑप्शन आया कि आपने कोई प्रोजेक्ट किया तो वो फाइल अपलोड करिए, उस टाइम पे तो आपने हमें कुछ दिया नहीं था, तो मैंने उसको ऐसे एम्प्टी छोड़ दिया था।
आ, नहीं मैम, देखिए क्या था कि उस टाइम आपने अगर किसी रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया था ना, तो ही आपको उसका लिंक डालना था, बेसिकली रिपोर्ट फाइल का। बट फिर मैंने सोचा कि आप लोगों की इंटर्नशिप कंप्लीट हो रही है, आपने जो जो सीखा है उसका एक प्रैक्टिकल डेमो आपको मतलब आपको प्रैक्टिकली कुछ आप करके बताओगे तो मुझे भी पता चलेगा कि आप लोगों को कितना समझ में आया। सो बेसिकली ये मेरा आइडिया था कि आपको इस तरीके की वेबसाइट दी जाए जिस पर आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी दिखा सकें, और आप भी आगे इन फ्यूचर कभी कंपनीज में जाते हैं इंटरव्यू के लिए, तो आपके पास अगर वो वेबसाइट पर्टिकुलरली होस्ट होगी तो आप बता सकते हैं कि हमने इस वेबसाइट पर काम किया था। सो ये मेरा आइडिया था बेसिकली। हेलो।
ओके मैम, बट एट दैट टाइम मैम मुझे लगा कि सिर्फ जो इंटर्नशिप में प्रोजेक्ट्स मिले उस पे, तो उस टाइम पे छोड़ दिया था।
सॉरी मैम, योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर, सॉरी। हेलो, सोनाली मैम, हेलो।
हेलो मैम, नाउ आई एम ऑडिबल।
यस मैम। यस मैम।
एक्चुअली मैम मैं बोल रही थी कि उस टाइम पे मुझे लगा कि जो इंटर्नशिप के प्रोजेक्ट मिले मुझे उसी का करना था, उस टाइम पे छोड़ दिया था।
Okay, ma'am. So, no problem. So, I hope you are create this website. आप कर पाओगे इसे create, no doubt, no problem.
यस मैम, आई विल ट्राई।
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. Others, any doubt? Anyone? like in this website, or something like how to create or how can host this website on free hosting sites? Yes, Soumya ma'am, you can raise your hand. So please unmute yourself and ask.
Ma'am, how to host it, ma'am?
Sorry ma'am, your voice is not clear. Hello.
How to host a website online, ma'am?
Okay ma'am, I explain you. So basically the free hosting site is, I will share my screen, then I explain you. So my screen are visible. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So basically, this is a free hosting site which is 000webhost.com. You just create your account in this website, and just you can import your files, like you have create HTML files, CSS folder, like different folders like HTML folders, CSS, JavaScript, or Bootstrap. So you can just import these folders in this website, and then you have particularly host that website. You have received a URL, so you can just take URL and paste in your Google form. Simple. And if you not understand, then I will give you the YouTube videos, so it is easy for you, that you have create like account on webhost.com and you can host your website. Okay, so today I share the YouTube links in the group, so you can check it out, that links, and you can create your accounts, and you can host your website. Okay, any problem or any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Hello. Okay, others, any doubt, any problem?
Ma'am, in which
No, ma'am.
Google form?
Google form will be provided to Kanika ma'am or me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Others, any doubt?
Ma'am, actually, yesterday I submitted my Google form with my review video and PPT. So,
Okay, no problem, ma'am. We have to create a new Google form. The only option is
okay.
website link. So you just
Okay.
fill that form only. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So I hope no one have any doubt or any problem.
Chandni ma'am, I have one problem. As you know, I have
Yes.
been absent for 8 to 9 days. I'm also messaging group WhatsApp group. So
Okay.
am I, ma'am, am I getting a session recording or not?
I just asked to Kanika ma'am or Shruti ma'am. Then you have received. Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Welcome, sir. Uh, okay, so other doubts or other problem, so you can tell me, because today is your last class, so that's why. Any problem or any doubt, anyone? Okay, so we are discuss our today's class topic. So we have remaining two topics basically in Bootstrap. Which first one is Carousel and Bootstrap for utilities. So basically in Bootstrap, Carousel is basically type of sliders. In CSS we have used slider, but it's a very long process in CSS to create a sliders. But in Bootstrap it is a responsive, and basically it's a easy in Bootstrap. So you can use the Carousel in your project, and it is make your sliders more responsive. So I explain you with example. Actually, for this save the time, that's why I'm write the code here. So basically, firstly we are at the CDN link, then we style this carousel. Basically, this is a carousel inner image with this 100%, height is 100%. Then we close the style tag, close the head, and close the body. Oh, sorry, start the body. Then div ID. So basically, this is a demo example. So that's why we write the demo, and the class is carousel slide, and data right is carousel because this is a slider. So in the Bootstrap, the slider called carousel. So that's why we write carousel slide, and data right is equals to carousel. Then we create unordered list. That unordered list class is equals to carousel indicators. Basically, indicators is like one, two, like how many images in your slider. So that's why we write UL class is equals to carousel indicators. Then we write li data target demo because this is example of demo. So that's why we write demo. Then data slide to 0 and class is active because 0 slide is active. If you not write active, so your slider is not move right to left basically. So that's why we write class is equals to active. Then we write li data target is equals to hash demo. Then data slide to 1 and 2 similarly. Then we close the UL tag. Then we write div class is equals to carousel inner. Basically, the carousel is a slider, but in the carousel, different type of images are present. So that's why we write div class is equals to carousel inner. Then we write div class carousel item active because first item is active. So that's why we write div class a carousel hyphen item active. Then we write image source is equals to logo.jpg. This is the basically the image name. So in my example, the image name is logo. So that's why I'm write logo.jpg. Then alternative is you can choose the alternative according to you. So this is logo. And then width according set the width and height according to you. Then again we write div class carousel item image source demo.jpg alternative demo and width and height according to, in my case the width is 1100 and height is 500. Then close the div. Then div class carousel item. Then image source image3.jpg. Alternative is image3. Width is 1100 and height is 500. Make sure you can set height or width of every image is same. Otherwise, it's not when you carousel. I mean the indicators. If you indicate that particular image is not too good, so make sure the width and height of the image is same. Then we close the div and div. After that, this is basically the previous or next. This is a optional, but you can add like anchor class is equals to carousel control previous reference demo data slide previous and span class carousel control previous icon. So basically it's create the icon of previous, and then it is similarly carousel control next because it's go to the next image. So then we write reference hash demo data slide next and span class is equals to carousel control next item because this is the previous icon and this is the next icon. So that's why we write carousel control next item, and then we close the span tag anchor tag div and body. So I show you the output. Okay, so this is basically the carousel, and you have to inspect this so it is more responsive like this. So anyone have any doubt in carousel? Because it's very important and mostly project we have working, so mostly we have used Bootstrap, so it is very easy. So that's why we are use carousel, or we can say slider. So any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, others, any doubt? Okay, others?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next topic is Bootstrap utilities. So anyone have any idea what is Bootstrap utilities and why we are using this Bootstrap utilities? Okay. So basic, yes. Hello. Hello, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So basically, it's like a helper class. You just style any type of element without using any type of CSS. So I explain you with example.
Chandni ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now I have another meeting right now, so you can send me the attendance. Now I can leave.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Basically, it's type create the utilities. You can set the like passport size images. So basically, you have to use utilities. So basically, like you have just add the styling and styling part, and after that you just add like border of like the every border is like zero, right from zero, bottom to zero, left from zero. So we are using span tag in this example. So you can use also the image tag, and you can set like use the class like in my case I was style the border. You can set style the image, and you can use the image here, and then like with the 70 pixel height and margin, then div class container and span class border. So you can just set, if you set the image border, so you can also style the border tag and use this image like border top to zero, right to zero, bottom to zero, and left to zero. Also you can change this values like 0 or 5 in according to the requirement. And just you have to create a different type of use the different type of images in the place of like before the span tag. So it's create a website in this form basically. So anyone have any doubt? Hello, any doubt anyone? Hello.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I think that's it. Uh, so thank you so much, everyone. Um, so anyone have any doubt like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any Bootstrap? So please tell me. Hello. Any doubt? Anyone?
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible.
No, ma'am. No doubt. And thank you for the ma'am being in the journey of the technophilia. And thanks for your support and efforts.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope you have
Thank you.
to. Yes. Yeah. Welcome, ma'am. And I'm very happy that you all are so much active in my class and always responds yes ma'am, no ma'am. So thank you so much everyone. Very, I mean, I don't have words. You are so such a great person in my class. Thank you so much. So any doubt anyone, so please tell me. Hello.
No, ma'am, no doubts. Thank you for teaching us that great knowledge and all. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. And if you need any help in future, so please tell me and ask me anytime. Please, if you have my number now, I hope you all have
Yes,
my
ma'am, we have.
number. Okay, okay. Any help, any doubt, so I'm always there for you. And yeah, so the journey was so good. I mean, you have learned so much thing. I was learned so much thing from you. You can learn, and thank you so much. Thank you very much. I mean, so thank you guys. I hope you have achieved your goals in your future, and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
so just wait 5 minutes. I can take your attendance, then you can leave. Okay.
Ma'am, after completing our internship, then when we will get our certificate?
Ma'am, you have received like 5 to 10 days in your mail ID. Okay, ma'am. Okay, so thank you so much. You can join the meet of 250. Like Ria ma'am sent the link in group, so everyone join on time. Okay. So thank you, and please complete your project on this Sunday. Or any doubt, any query, you can ask me anytime. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, and bye
Okay, ma'am.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.